Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chalk and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video with your friends and family. So last video I gave the definition of adverbs, isn't it? And we started types of adverbs and we completed 5 types of adverbs. Do you remember what are those? Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree or extent. 5 completed. The remaining 3 today we'll do in this video. Okay. So the sixth one is interrogative adverbs. By name itself, interrogation means questions. From the beginning, you know, interrogative means questioning. So these adverbs they are used to ask questions. And do you remember we have interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns. Do you remember what are those? Who, whom, whose, which, what? Isn't it? The remaining, and those are only interrogative adjectives also. These are interrogative adverbs. So the remaining WH question words are the interrogative adverbs. What are those? When, where, how, why. When, where, how, why. So these are interrogative adverbs. How do we use them? Already yesterday, the last video itself, those 5 we discussed. Means like frequency, degree of frequency, or adverbs of frequency, how often. Or if you are talking about place, where. If you are talking about time, when. We do ask questions like this, isn't it? We use those words. Now let us look at these examples. Okay. Why did you come late? Why? It's a reason or cause you are asking. Why did you come late? So why is an adverb, interrogative adverb. Why did you come late? Okay. And you get an answer. What is the reason? I came late because I missed the bus. Okay, I came late because of traffic. Okay, because of traffic jam. So many questions, replies you can give. So the reason you're asking what is the cause for so and so thing. In such cases, we use why. Okay, so why is an interrogative adverb. Next, how do you go to school? How means in which manner. So it talks about how. Adverbs of manner. How do you go to school? How is also interrogative adverb. Then when did you go to Delhi? When? Time. It's last week, last month or yesterday. When did you go to Delhi? So it is questions asked about time. To ask about time, we use which one we use? When. Okay. Then how? Manner. In what manner? Where is the book? It talks about adverbs of place. Where is the book? Where? It is also an adverb, interrogative adverb. It is talking about place. Where is the book? The book is on the table. The book is in the almirah. The book is here or the book is there. Any reply you can give. Okay. It is talking about the place. Okay. How often do you take tea daily? How often? Means it is questioning frequency. Adverbs of frequency it is talking about. Once a once in a day or twice a day, it is asking how often do you take tea? Okay, so it's talking about adverbs of frequency. So how often is also an interrogative. How far? Okay, how far is your house from school? It is talking about degree or adverbs of degree or extent. How far is your house from school? My house is 4 kilometers away from school. 4 kilometers distance you are talking about. How far? So this is also an interrogative adverb. So interrogative adverbs are nothing but they are used to ask questions, especially the question words we use when, where, how, and why we use in this interrogative adverbs, and these are the examples. Next one is relative adverb. Next one, relative adverbs. By name itself, relative. They relate to clauses or two sentences. They act as connective to join two clauses or two sentences. So they show the relation, relative adverbs. Similarly, um, we learned relative pronouns, isn't it? Relative pronouns, just like who, which, what, relative pronouns. Do you remember the same? Just like that, we have relative adverbs also. Relative adverbs act as connective to join two clauses or two sentences together, they are used. The same words actually, just like interrogative adverbs, the same words only we use here also, but they differ in position and function also differs. That's why these are relative adverbs. When, where, why, how, those words only we use even as relative adverbs. Just like relative pronouns, same words we use, but their position and function differ. See, I don't know where he lives. I don't know where he lives. So I don't know he lives. Two sentences, and you are, this is acting as a connective. Okay, and this is actually a relative adverb. But in interrogative, we used at the beginning of the sentence, and then where is he? Where is the book? Like that. So we have asked a question directly, but here we are using it as a connective to join two clauses or two sentences. Isn't it? That is the difference you have to notice. I don't know where he lives. So where is relative adverb. Similarly, do you know how to play chess? Do you know how? Do you know one thing? To play chess, one to play chess, it is a subordinate clause. Do you know main clause? So it is connecting two clauses here in this case. Do you know how to play chess? So how is a relative adverb. Tell me when he will come. When he will come. So tell me when. This is when is also connecting. Tell me he will come, and it is acting as a connective. Do you know why Lasya is absent today? Do you know why Lasya is absent today? Why? So the relative adverbs are nothing but they are used as connectives to join two clauses or sentences. So the words are the same, just like interrogative adverbs, but the usage is different. Their position and function is different. This is about relative adverbs. And coming to the last one, adverbs of affirmation and negation. By name itself, they affirm, they negate something. Affirm means positive, say yes. Then negative means no, saying no. Negation means negate or say no. So there are some questions with yes no questions we all use all the time. We get the replies as yes or no. So yes or no are adverbs of affirmation or negation. Okay. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes is adverb. Okay. No, I don't. No is also an adverb. Okay, so adverbs of affirmation and negation means they talk about one thing, talk about affirms, or it talks about positive statement, whereas negation it negates or it talks about negative statements. So yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes and no are adverbs of affirmation and negation. Can you play guitar? Yes, I can. Yes, again. It is also adverb of affirmation. Is it too heavy? No, it isn't. Is it too heavy? No, it isn't. So no is adverb of negation. So these are the 8 types of adverbs. Now we'll do the formation of adverbs. So we completed types of adverbs. Now we just look at formation of adverbs. How are the adverbs formed? Okay. Mostly the adverbs are formed by adding ly, isn't it? By ly ending words, almost we can call them as adverbs. Ly ending words. Okay. This ly will add to the adjectives. Okay. Adding ly to the adjectives. and there are plenty of words are there here. Okay, quick, quickly, slow, slowly, brave. These are all adjectives. Brave, bravely, beautiful, beautifully, careful, carefully. Okay, happy, happily, easy, easily, lucky, luckily. Okay, like that, plenty of words are there. So adding ly to adjective. First one is adding ly to the adjectives. Ly ending words. Those are all adverbs. Okay. Second one, adding ly to nouns. Even you add ly to nouns also, they become adverbs. Suppose you take day. Day, if you take if you add ly, what it becomes? Daily, isn't it? Day, daily. We get newspaper daily. Okay, like that, by adding ly to nouns. Month, monthly. Week, weekly. Hour, hourly. Year, yearly. Fortnight, fortnightly. Okay, so by adding ly to nouns also, you get adverbs. This is second one. Third one, add a before noun. Add a before noun. Okay, so prefix a before noun, it becomes adverb. A plus head, a head, a side, a part, a boat, again, away. Okay, so by adding a to noun also, they become adverbs. Next. So next formation, add a or be before adjectives. If you add before adjectives, add a, prefix a or be. Then how do you get the words along? A plus long. Okay. Abroad, broad, abroad. Alone, allowed, loud plus a, round plus a, around, anew, behind, be plus hind, below, before, beyond. So these are the words. All these are adverbs. So how are the adverbs formed? By adding a or be before adjectives, you get these adverbs. The next one is joining an adjective and a noun. If you join them, then it becomes adverb. Sometimes, some plus times, other plus wise, otherwise, mean plus time, meantime, meanwhile, mean plus while, meanwhile, then midway, mid plus way. So these are formed by joining adjective and noun. These adverbs are formed. The next one is adding a preposition in front of a noun. These are adverb phrases we call. What is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words. Okay, which convey partial meaning, isn't it? That is the we learned in the first video itself. What is a phrase? So these are adverb phrases. What are you doing for these? You are adding in these are nouns in front of noun. You are giving one preposition. Then they become adverb phrases. In fact, at random, of course, at length. So these are the other formation of adverbs. Next. Next formation is adverb phrases only, but in pairs, and you just use the word and for these adverb phrases we call. Again and again, he does the work, he repeated the work again and he committed the mistake again and again. Far and wide, far and near, to and fro. These are the common words we get. Now and then, okay, by and by, over and over. So these are the words, adverb phrases, which are used in pairs, and you just connect them by using the word and. Okay, this is one formation of adverbs. These are all adverbs. Again and again, far and wide, far and near, to and fro, by and by. So these are over and over, out and out, now and then. These are all adverb phrases. Then adding these suffixes also, we get adverbs. Length plus wise, lengthwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clock plus wise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, forward, backward. So to adding these some words we are adding suffixing means at the end we are using, like here we are using wise and here you are using word and here you are using words upwards, downwards, inwards, okay, eastwards, and ways also, sideways. So these are the suffixes we use. By adding these suffixes, what happened? You get the adverbs. So these are the some of the formations of adverb, and we'll continue this formation of adverbs in next video. I'll be back soon with this. I'll wind up the session. Thank you for watching my video.